Welcome to Video Service Information. Working on a 2016 F-150. The customer's complaint was a humming noise around 35 miles an hour. Got the vehicle on the lift, and we heard the noise coming from the front differential on the right side. Vehicle has around 40,000 miles on it. We drained the front differential oil, and we found metallic debris in the oil. There's no signs of water intrusion or corrosion in the oil. Found the right side carrier bearing had spun in the case. As you can see here, the right side race has some scoring on it where it was spinning. The cap is also scored from the spinning. No debris on the back side of the front cover. Ring gear is worn normal, no signs of sharp edges on the ring gear. Got the carrier out of the housing, and you can see here that the scoring on the housing side. Inside the housing you can see the gray metallic debris from the bearing wear. Also the races are scored and worn. Carrier bearing on that right side is scored and worn. Looking at the pinion gear, no sharp edges and normal wear. This is a selectable auto full drive pickup. Even in two-wheel drive, the transfer case is still spinning. The front drive shaft, so the front differential is still spinning, maybe causing the premature wear to the bearing and or a tolerance issue with the front differential. It's going to be recommended to replace the complete front differential due to the damage to the housing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.